In front of me is REALME 9 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer. Let's switch to contacts if you are not here, and pick the one that you would like to add the profile picture to. In my case, it's Dara. Then click on Edit Contact, Add Photo, and you can either take a photo, it's perfect if someone is sitting right in front of you, or choose photo from your gallery. Just pick the source from which you want to pick it. Let me choose this one. And now you can smoothly manage the picture. You can crop it as only you want to. Pick the proper frame, tap on confirmation mark, then select save, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, every time there will be colon, this profile picture will be applied and displayed on the screen. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.